Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'll talk about Shiba Inu, Shib USD global chart, global crypto chart, since the Shib exists. With my customer set updates. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, this is how the chart looks like, and this is a total euphoria, total madness on Shib previous run. Is it possible so Shib can hit the new all-time high this run? Technically, yes. So it can be the next top, I don't know, 0.301. What should happen so the Shib reach that target? I don't know. Just to be honest, I don't know. Now we got a lot of different altcoins. We got a lot of different, like a mascot. So that time it was like a dog hype. Now we got a Papad. Now we got Bonk, Boom, many other tokens. Also, we need a hype on Ethereum to pump Ethereum meme tokens. We need to maybe reduce some supply of Shib. I don't know, because you remember the hype of the people screaming, when they will launch the Shiba Inu, right? We skyrocket. Nothing happened. Globally, guys, so this is a weekly time frame. One thing's what I don't like. We not grab that liquidity. This so annoying. Just to be honest, I wish to see that dump under this low next week and form the fulfill on the weekly time frame, and maybe monthly, of course, is done. But I don't like when we live this tiny liquidity pools, right? Because it means globally on a monthly, on a weekly, one day we're gonna come back and sweep it. So it's just a matter of time. Globally, I market the monthly, this one, monthly fulfill. If we will dump, we can test at this level. It's going to be just a pure capitulation. So now it looks like a range, right? So this is a monthly gap, a fulfill. This is a top. And we trade just in this area. So it's kind of weird, and yes, it's annoying by time. 100% guys agree, 100%. So since the all-time high in October, we traded basically in the downtrends 1,247 days. I 100% guys agree. It's so annoying. It's not, different cycle. Every cycle are different. So just a cycle. And people are stuck in previous myth narratives, so it should happen like this one. But guys, we got an institutional, so we dreamed about institutional, so here we are. We got it. We got an EDF and all of that stuff. We got a BlackRock here, and that's why you guys build realistic price targets. If the Shib will go to new all-time high, for example, it will be anyway to cut 1-0. It will be only 837%. Pretty good one, but Shib, it's not a low cap, right? So be careful because it's a pretty heavy market capitalization now. So build a realistic price targets. Technically, it can be there 1, 2, 3 drives pattern, right, on a monthly time frame or so, or just like a deviation at the top, new all-time high. It's hard to imagine how Shib can go to, I don't know, cut 2 zeros or so, or even I know, not count 2 zeros. I mean to 0.302. For me, it's kind of hard to even imagine. So technically, we're gonna trade in this global range, right? Can trade long-term period, right? I want to show you with my customer set what's going on now. Monthly time frame, of course, we close the fulfill monthly. But we leave the liquidity pool, so could be much better if we grab that liquidity. So yes, of course, we leave it here. We close the fulfill, retest it, but we not grab liquidity. It's kind of weird. The next liquidity pool is here. It's 0.5057. I don't think so. We'll drop so low. But the next main support is next monthly gap fulfill. So just in case, guys, bullish targets, of course, is when we leave, like bullish liquidity pools is here and here. So also this two levels like a magnet for market makers to grab that liquidity. So it's just a matter of time when we grab this one and this one. Which one will be first? It's hard to say because globally, I truly believe we should go higher. because we already 1, 2, 3, 4 months in a row down, so it's pretty bad. Shib dump it in 4 months 67% down. Since March 2024 we dump it 76% down. So basically we can't drop forever down, right? That's why we can bounce, and from this current prices it can be like 300. So once again, guys, safety trade, 100% profit, withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens. Pretty good one. Never just wait some crazy gains and try to not stock in tokens, because a lot of people imagine stuck in here because they waited $1 in 2021. That if you not been here that time, it was just a madness. Everybody talk about Shiba to the moon, Shiba to $1, to 10 cents. It just was absolutely nonsense. It's just a quadrillions money market capitalization. But anyway, the people believe in it. So now locally here, we dump it, bounce it, close, grab all of that liquidity, dump it again, form equal basically lows. So yes, let's mark it like equal lows. So the problem is with equal lows, equal highs, I showed you in many cases we come back and drop under that equal lows, especially if it's a monthly or a weekly, because it's like a magnet. So I wish to see now grab of that liquidity pool and continuation, because if not, guys, we can trade a long-term period again in the range. So of course, much better to grab it now and continue rally, a fast rally in April. But anyway, we can go even from this current prices higher. So technically here is a monthly gap 0.4017. This is like a magnet. This is the next one bullish target. This is the next one bullish targets, and all-time high. My conclusion is here. So it's around 0.301. It's the best case scenario for Shib. If we use, for example, this is like impulse, so this is the bottom, this is impulse. Here we dump it on the 67 level, 86 level by FIP. So here the 18 and 27 zone is going to be the top of the top for Shib. If we talk about investment, weekly time frame, I showed you. Daily time frame, guys. So here the price action will repeat itself. So here, take a look. Order flow, compression. So video about compression I showed you. Bounce, grab liquidity, drop, compression, bounce from this move with this sweep, or from this current price. Form double bottom and going higher. So this is it, guys. Take a look now with my customer cassette, what's going on with the Shib. I believe in the Ethereum hype. I believe in pump on memes token sector again. I don't think so. This is how the cycle and the meme coins hype era ended, because BTC dominance over than 60%. It's not how the cycle ended. Take a look. ADZ I can show you because it's a global ticker here. Accumulation, pump, accumulation, tiny pump, bigger pump, accumulation, pump, accumulation. So the same story. Weekly time frame, here is the capitulation zone. Last time capitulation zone was here in October 23. Good one. Monthly, guys. Imagine only in August 24, we saw the finish of the 8th year of Shib on the market one. Now it's a disbelief. So yes, of course, we can dump it lower to the bottom to form the capitulation. So this is going to be the pretty bad one. But keep in mind, now this is not a time to out of Shib, because we're so hyped. Yes, I understand. Technically, we are so high if we compare it to the March 2021, right? But this is not a time to out at all. Like it was here, for example, had a crazy madness every year. So globally, guys, it's just a matter of time when we will see the main move on Shib. Take a look. Oh, let's check the monthly. Here's the money outflow. MACD bearish that weren't seen. Drop. I believe we can bounce again to the top and see the new money outflow. It can be not a new all-time high. It can be just like, I don't know, this area. But we can retest and then bounce. If not, of course, it's going to be the capitulation and drop even to full fill of monthly gap. So weekly time frame here, money inflow, buy back, bounce, sell, drop, money outflow. MACD bearish divergence. Unfortunately, guys, you could track everything by yourself. Locally, of course, daily. This is what I talk about. So this is a sell, drop, close of position, buy, accumulation, pump, sell, sell, sell. Now the same story. This is a close all short position, buy. So I wish to see one more leg down, accumulation, and going higher, forming just like a local double bottom on the daily. And no money inflow on weekly time frame. The last indicator, guys, is take profit. Take profit, and this is what I don't like. We didn't test at the buy line. So few cents, few penny, we didn't test. Here we drop it on the FEMA value, bounce, tested the buy line, going higher, and we didn't test. So even I guess less than 1%, 1% and 1%, we didn't hit the buy line on the weekly. That's why, yes, we can come back and test a daily time frame. Now we trade around the fundamental value here. Let's mark it like a target. This one. So yes, I wish to see that drop again to this area from these current prices in the next week. If we will see, it can be like 17% down. We will see. It's not a necessary, so we will, but just in case, guys. And here, this is going to be the buy line on 12 time frame. Let's add alert to the buy line, and we can track it. Take profit line on the daily, guys, is here, 0.4024. Exit line 0.4027. All targets, my conclusion, I wish to see something like this one and going higher. April, May would be good to go over than this one. And in theory, yes, the new all-time high possible. When? Nobody knows. But guys, be realistic with your targets. Every single time when you, on this market, especially when you see the 100% profit on the spot, just withdraw initial deposit and leave free tokens. If you would like to trade as my customer or showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, change his like button, his notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.